Welcome to Vuforia Spatial Toolbox Conditional Tool. Today we're going to go over our Conditional Tool, which allows us to have if-else statements within the Spatial Toolbox. If you haven't seen our video that explains image targets, you should go check that out to understand this blue box. But first we're going to go into the pocket and we're going to grab our Conditional Tool. So we're going to drag that into our space and size it down a little bit. We're then also going to need a few other tools to showcase the Conditional Tool. So let's go ahead and grab a value tool from our pocket. This is going to be the output. And so now we're going to go back into the pocket and we're going to grab our inputs. So we're going to grab two of our number tools, and then we can drag these number tools into our space and have them connect up to our Conditional Tool as well. The last thing we're going to need is back in the pocket, we're going to need a switch tool. And so this is going to be what switches the if and the else statements. So we'll add that in, and then we'll wire everything up. So if we go into the programming tab, we can connect the switch tool to the if. We'll connect the number tools to if input and else input, and then from output, we'll connect that up to our value. So now we're ready to start entering numbers and using the Conditional Tool. So the bottom number will have be 10, and the top number will have -15. So now you can see that the value is 10, and if we switch the button, it becomes -15. And you can see that the Conditional Tool is giving some information saying that the if block is true, and so it's outputting -15 and not activating the else block. But then if we flip the switch the other way, it says that the if block is false, and it's going to the else block, which is true and outputting 10.